The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
Hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
Stay at home, then stay at home.
A group calling
Well,
themselves
being
the
bored
Fireflies
is much better
have
than
claimed
being in
responsibility
intensive
for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
Rise with us.
All from 6 p.m. tonight.
Remember when you're lost in
I'm
the
declaring
darkness,
a state of
look for the
disaster.
light. Believe in the Fireflies.
Spaghetti. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in light of the current apocalypse that is occurring, we're going to fall into a world where all you can find is canned foods. So I'm going to show you a brilliant way on how you're going to survive in like the Last of Us kind of scenario, or Walking Dead, where it is us versus us and we're fucked. Now, when you're walking around, you're not going to find fucking beef and all that shit without killing a bloke. So first we're going to get is a bit of canned spaghetti, right? Okay. Now I know bowls. Bowls will be something that you won't be able to find out there, because bowls are fucking bowls. Now, if you still have your fingers and hasn't been chomped off by the evil monster's virus thingy, I don't know if I can say that because YouTube will fucking cuck me. You got to crack the bitch open. Not to cut yourself though, because you need your fingers to survive. Juicy. Now. Same always happens during sex, but you'll get used to it. You flop it out. Flop right. There's a bit left over. We need to live. And you just scoop her out. Like you're shoveling for poop. And the good thing about cans is you can use them as instruments later. Listen, mate. Fat beats, you understand? Alright. Now, the next thing you'll need, and I've gooped on my fingers, mate. First thing you'll need, and trust me, I'm a survivalist expert, and I personally believe that these will become the currency of the future. Do you understand? 1 egg will equate to $100 in our current time. Now, you might not have a bowl, you might just be doing this on the floor. So normally, you just tap her in like a golf ball. See, what you need to do, and I have no strength to prove it to you, you do this. Perfect. Now I've goofed on myself, so you might need to have a towel on standby here. But it's all part of the plan, you see. What you need to do then is you just need to, I've dropped some of you here. You just need like a serving at the supermarket. You just need you get your tinny, you just goop her in like that. And now you've got more egg for your healthy survivalist breakfast. Now you just wanna stomp it in, mix it in like Australian politics, forgetting about the bushfires. And you just mix it in like so. Brilliant, as always. Then you put that away, and then the next bit is the most important bit. Now your next and most important step, and I've gooped my camera, I've came on it, is you need to get your bowl, right? You need to get your bowl because you need to cook it. It's got raw eggies in it, right? You just need to open up this, stick it in there. Now make sure you don't have any metal in it. because you don't want to blow up, because this is just like, oh shit, it's just like cooking at nonos. You just go and you press 30 seconds, let it cook up, let it be tasty, but just tasty enough so you don't want to kill yourself, and nutritious. And once she's all good to go, you take your bowl out. Oh, look at that, it's all nice and warm. And then we go back to the kitchen. And finally, now that she's all cooked and she's all delicious, you're going to actually need to take this on the fly. So you just need to goop her back into the cup for leftovers later, because you should be alright. And look at that. Like Gordan Ramsey himself, I'm able to insert small goopy things into small goopy holes. And voila. Look at that. A meal of absolute champions. Now I'm not going to taste it because let's be frank, I'll probably be dead by then, and this meal is probably going to taste too good for me. It's going to taste too delicious. So I leave it at home for you guys to give it a go. It's got protein, carbs, and all sorts of other goodies to make you murder other people for more eggs. Make sure to leave me a review in the comments of how this goes, and get surviving, bitches.